Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Are you tired of waking up multiple times at night to use the bathroom? It's a common problem, and it can really disrupt your sleep. In this video we'll reveal 4 essential vitamins that can help you stop frequent urination at night, also known as nocturia. We'll break down the science behind each one and how they can benefit you. So, if you're ready to reclaim your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed, stick around. First up, we have vitamin D. This essential nutrient is often associated with bone health and immune function, but its benefits extend far beyond that. Today we're diving into how vitamin D can play a crucial role in bladder control. Now you might be thinking, vitamin D? What does that have to do with my bladder? It's a common question and the answer might surprise you. Well, let me tell you, vitamin D is essential for a whole range of bodily functions, and that includes bladder health. This vitamin helps regulate the muscles in your bladder, ensuring they function properly. You see, studies have shown a link between vitamin D deficiency and overactive bladder symptoms, including nocturia, which is the frequent need to urinate at night. Researchers have found that individuals with lower levels of vitamin D are more likely to experience these symptoms. It's believed that vitamin D helps improve bladder muscle function, allowing it to contract and relax properly. This is crucial because the bladder needs to be able to hold urine and release it at the right times. This means your bladder can hold more urine, reducing those nighttime urges. Imagine being able to sleep through the night without waking up multiple times to use the bathroom. That's the potential benefit of maintaining adequate vitamin D levels. Now the best way to get vitamin D is through sunlight. When your skin is exposed to sunlight, it produces vitamin D naturally. Spending just 10 to 30 minutes in the sun several times a week can help maintain healthy levels, but I know that's not always possible, especially during winter months or if you live in certain climates. During these times, it can be challenging to get enough sunlight to produce the vitamin D your body needs. So, supplementing with vitamin D3 can be a good option. Vitamin D3 is the form of vitamin D that your body produces in response to sunlight, and it's more effective at raising your vitamin D levels than other forms. Just make sure to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements to determine the right dosage for you. Your healthcare provider can help you figure out how much vitamin D you need based on your individual health needs and lifestyle. By maintaining adequate vitamin D levels, you can support not only your bladder health but also your overall well-being. Next up is magnesium, a mineral that often doesn't get the spotlight it deserves. Yet it plays an incredibly vital role in our overall health and well-being. Magnesium is essential for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle function. Whether you're lifting weights, running, or simply stretching, magnesium is at work behind the scenes. This includes the muscles in your bladder, which are crucial for maintaining proper urinary function. The bladder is a complex organ that relies on smooth muscle contractions to store and release urine efficiently. Magnesium acts as a natural muscle relaxant, and this is key when it comes to managing nocturia, a condition characterized by frequent nighttime urination. By relaxing the bladder muscles, magnesium helps reduce the urgency and frequency of nighttime trips to the bathroom. When your bladder muscles are tense, you're more likely to experience those sudden, urgent needs to urinate. This can be particularly disruptive at night, leading to poor sleep quality and overall discomfort. Magnesium helps calm those muscles down, reducing bladder spasms and allowing your bladder to fill up more comfortably. This can make a significant difference in your daily life, providing relief from the constant worry of needing to find a bathroom quickly. This means fewer interruptions during the night, allowing you to enjoy a more restful and uninterrupted sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health, and reducing nocturia can contribute to better sleep hygiene. Now, you can find magnesium in foods like leafy greens, nuts and seeds. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you maintain adequate magnesium levels naturally. But if you're not getting enough through your diet, a magnesium supplement can be beneficial. Supplements can provide a more concentrated dose of magnesium, ensuring you meet your daily requirements. Magnesium glycinate is a good option as it's well absorbed and gentle on the stomach. This form of magnesium is less likely to cause digestive issues, making it a preferred choice for many people. Again, always consult with your doctor before starting any new supplements. Your healthcare provider can help determine the right dosage and form of magnesium for your specific needs, ensuring you get the maximum benefit without any adverse effects. In summary, magnesium is a powerful ally for your bladder health. By supporting muscle function and reducing spasms, it can help manage nocturia and improve your quality of life. So, whether through diet or supplements, make sure you're giving your body the magnesium it needs. Number 4. Fighting inflammation for bladder health. Let's move on to vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that we all know and love. This essential nutrient is not only vital for our overall health, but also plays a significant role in maintaining the health of our bladder. Vitamin C is renowned for its ability to boost the immune system, but its benefits extend far beyond that. But did you know that vitamin C can also benefit your bladder health? Yes, that's right. This potent antioxidant can help in ways you might not have imagined. It's not just about keeping colds at bay, it's about ensuring that your bladder functions optimally. That's right. Vitamin C helps reduce inflammation throughout the body, and that includes the bladder. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to various health issues, including problems with the bladder. Inflammation in the bladder can irritate the bladder lining, making you feel like you need to urinate more frequently, even at night. This can be particularly bothersome, disrupting your sleep and affecting your overall quality of life. Imagine waking up multiple times during the night with the urgent need to urinate. It's not just inconvenient, it can be exhausting. By reducing inflammation, vitamin C can help soothe the bladder and decrease those nighttime urges. This means you can enjoy a more restful sleep and wake up feeling refreshed. The soothing effect of vitamin C on the bladder can make a significant difference in your daily life, providing relief from the constant discomfort and urgency. Plus, vitamin C supports a healthy immune system, which is important for preventing urinary tract infections or UTIs. A strong immune system is your first line of defense against infections, including those that affect the urinary tract. UTIs are not only painful but can also lead to more serious health issues if left untreated. UTIs can also cause frequent urination, so it's crucial to keep your immune system strong. By ensuring you have enough vitamin C in your diet, you can help protect yourself from these infections. Drinking plenty of fluids such as water and cranberry juice can also help flush out bacteria from the urinary tract. You can get vitamin C from citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens. These foods are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support your overall health. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet can help ensure you get enough vitamin C to support your bladder health. However, if you're looking for an extra boost, a vitamin C supplement can be helpful. Supplements can be a convenient way to ensure you're getting enough of this essential nutrient, especially if your diet is lacking in vitamin C-rich foods. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement to ensure it's right for you. Number 5. Zinc for prostate health and better sleep. Last but not least, we have zinc, an essential mineral that's particularly important for men's health. Zinc plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy prostate. The prostate gland is located right below the bladder, and when it's enlarged, it can press on the bladder and urethra, leading to urinary problems, including nocturia. Zinc helps reduce prostate enlargement, relieving pressure on the bladder and improving urine flow. This is especially important for men as they age, as prostate enlargement is more common in older men. You can find zinc in foods like oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds. However, if you're concerned about your zinc levels, talk to your doctor about whether a supplement is right for you. Sweet dreams are just a vitamin away. So there you have it, 4 vitamins that can help you stop those nighttime bathroom trips and get a good night's sleep. Remember, these vitamins work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water, limiting caffeine and alcohol intake, and emptying your bladder completely before bed. Try incorporating these vitamins into your daily routine and see the difference they can make in your nighttime bathroom trips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips.